Affiliate marketing with ClickBank, the best service for digital products like ebooks, membership programs, and software. What is ClickBank? ClickBank is one of the first affiliate merchant networks on the internet and still gaining popularity since it started in 1998. It is the largest marketplace for digital products, and for this reason, it's become the go-to for marketers who want to promote ebooks, video tutorials, and other electronic services. It wins out in many of those categories, even more than Amazon. Of course, with a focus on this market in particular, the door is wide open for scammers and schemers to take advantage of the site, using their 90-day money-back guarantee to get promotion without paying agent overhead, and there have been some more aggressive tactics taken by marketers with their promotion. In short, it's a great site for both marketers and affiliates to expand their respective businesses. But for affiliates in particular, you will want to tread carefully. This isn't to deter you from using this service, as there are a lot of great products and partners to be found. But as with any affiliate program, you want to use your due diligence to make sure that you are providing the best service to your readers. It's also a very easy marketing agency to use, and you can get rolling quickly. If you run a tech site, a book blog, or anything of the sort, you can generate a lot of revenue for the best products and enrich your user experience easily with reviews and promotions for products that aren't so easy to promote with other affiliate marketers like Amazon. Like any other affiliate marketplace, ClickBank aims to connect the digital content creators and affiliate marketers. It caters both to vendors and affiliates. Through ClickBank, vendors can create digital products and market them on ClickBank through affiliates. The affiliates, on the other hand, can make money by promoting products that are of direct and immediate use to their readers, thus pushing good content and making money in the process. How does it work? For the vendors put their products or services to the marketplace in front of possible consumers and thousands of skilled affiliates that can convert it to sales. For vendors that can't market easily through other affiliate programs, this is an easier way to get their products in front of customers. Ebooks, for instance, aren't covered by Amazon and some other programs, but provide not only links, but their own content. This gets some kind of review for the writer and advertising for the publisher. It also gives the marketer a chance to promote the kind of content that will be directly beneficial to their users. You don't have to worry about pushing bad products because you can read the book and know what's in it. You get free content topics by posting reviews and money from the associated links. And if your blog has a limited scope that doesn't normally cater to affiliate links, you can find content for your readers. For affiliates, an affiliate marketer uses ClickBank to find all kinds of products to promote, and there is literally something for every niche. Ebooks and membership programs apply to everyone's audience, and this is what ClickBank specializes in. Find the right products for your readers and do a review of them. As soon as an affiliate subscribes to ClickBank, he will be given a unique link, which directs customers to the product page. Most of the time, affiliates are also provided with the marketing materials that include the sales letters, banners, and email marketing campaign letters by the vendors. ClickBank acts as a one-stop shop for online marketers. It confirms payments, processes orders, and handles customer service. As an affiliate, even before you sign up, they include a plethora of helpful information about how and where to post affiliate links right on their site. ClickBank is committed to helping everyone get the most out of their service, both the merchants paying for a subscription and the affiliates promoting the products. Getting started with ClickBank. Unlike other competing platforms, ClickBank eliminates the dreary paperwork and impractical contracts between the admin and the marketer. It is one of the best networks that offers a secure payment system to its customers. But let me just warn you, ClickBank can be tedious for newbies. In fact, not all ClickBank affiliates make it to the top. You must work your way up to the ladder, just as with any other affiliate program. To get you started, I've summarized some guidelines that will set you on the path to a successful affiliate venture with ClickBank. 1. Find a product you can get behind. This is a crucial part in affiliate marketing. Your marketing strategy depends largely on the products that you choose to promote. Not all of the available products are worth your time and effort, so take the time to choose a product that you plan to promote. Do your research. Determine whether an item on ClickBank is worth promoting and if it will add value to your readers. That's what will keep them coming back and clicking links. A good rule of thumb in choosing a brand to promote is to find a product that interests you, or better, one that you are already using. If you don't like it, your readers won't either. Choose something that you have skills and knowledge about, something you can develop content directly around. This is the best reason for using ClickBank, to get those value-added products that you won't find on other affiliate sites. It is recommended to choose a product ranging from $20 to $50. This is the average price of a ClickBank product. You need to make at least 9 sales to earn $100 more or less depending on nature of the product you wish to promote. If the price of the product is greater, then chances are you can earn higher commission. The counterpoint to that is the amount of traffic you can generate and the turnover rate. Ebooks seldom fall into the $20 to $50 range, but by the time the reader clicks the link, they've likely already decided to buy, which means higher turnover. Don't use the recommendation as a rule. Strike a good balance between price, conversion, and value. 2. Promote the hell out of it. Product promotion is the real test in affiliate marketing. There are tons of promotional platforms where you can use your affiliate code. The most common method is to set up a blog or website dedicated to your product. This way, you can invite a community of followers who are already interested. The same principle goes for directing traffic you already have. Many of the products on ClickBank can actually get you more readers if utilized properly. You may choose other platforms, such as social media platforms, to promote your link. Promote your Click product on Facebook, Twitter, or your mailing list. You aren't as limited as you would be with a program like Amazon. You can even post it on Craigslist. Add the affiliate link to your forum signature and stay active on the forums. 3. Convert it into sales. All your efforts would be put into waste if you cannot convert traffic into sales. Studies show that 98 out of 100 web visitors leave the site without buying. Today's greatest challenge for affiliate marketers is converting that 98% of readers into customers. The best way to do this is to define your goals. Do you want an audience of readers who trust you and value you as an expert in the fields they care about? Or do you want to dump money on promotion to run a classified ad? I think most bloggers know the answer without thinking. It's about helping your audience, building your platform, and getting them directly to the stuff they want or need. This is a much better strategy than trying to be a door-to-door or browser-to-browser salesman. Give them what they want. ClickBank strategies for success. ClickBank products are lucrative if you can effectively market them, but getting your first few customers can be challenging. So here's a list of strategies too that will guide you to your first customer and beyond. 1. Have the audience ready. Your audience is your customer base. Increase it with video marketing, product reviews and comparisons, and tips or life hacks. This strategy encourages organic search rankings and inbound links for traffic. And do not forget to focus on long-tail keywords. Specific SEO-friendly headlines will drive traffic from search engines. 2. Keep your content relevant. Make sure your content and your product are aligned. This ensures that site visitors are already interested on the product and ultimately increasing your conversion rate. This results in higher conversion rates and happier readers. 3. Keep track of statistics. Use statistics to your advantage when choosing the right product to promote. In affiliate marketing, research is the key. ClickBank offers statistics for their product. Use the data to determine if the product has the right potential to convert into sales. Gravity is a metric used by ClickBank to show which products have successful track records on the site. 4. Be picky and start small. Start with 1 or 2 products. Promoting a product requires full attention so that you can give each product a chance at success. You already believe in the product, right? So give it a helping hand. Don't litter one blog post with ads and move on. Stick around. Figure out how to draw more attention to it. Treat it as your own, because remember, the better the marketer does, the better you do, and the happier your audience will be as you show them the benefit of something you believe in. Be picky and start small. 5. Invest in advertising. Invest on your campaign. If organic reach is not enough, Try investing more to get traffic. Plan your budget wisely. You should not be spending more than you're getting back. As an affiliate, you are the advertiser. Use your skills to help the product. Just make sure that your affiliate link is the one that gets the attention. 6. Provide a promotional page solely for your product. The sales page for your ClickBank product can be a good source to use for your content. Use it to write a product review or brief description of the product you are promoting. Optimize this page to rank for the previously researched keywords or key phrases. This page should be well written and have well-featured links to your ClickBank product. Link back to your product page through social media to let your page grow, but also put out some direct links to people who might like the product, even if they aren't in your audience. 7. Make your links short. Let's face it, as a viewer, we are allergic to links. Nobody wants to be directed to another page more than they have to. Luckily, there are tons of free and paid tools that can abbreviate your affiliate links with. Another way is to use a plugin that lets you create short and pretty links. By making your links short, you save just enough room for a more engaging content and eliminate the eyesore of a long ad link. 8. Test the product before you commit. Before promoting the product, it is best to test it to experience the results yourself. This is the best way to gauge the quality level and vendor's commitment. Do not toss some random gimmicky junk on your website. All it takes is one reader to get offended that you would recommend such trash, and your comment section will be filled with comments about how you are a worthless sellout, untrustworthy, or worse. Think about buying the product yourself, reading the ebook, giving the membership business a try, or whatever. You can also read reviews about the product or service on the other blogs, forum posts, and customer reviews. Research the company to see what people in your audience think about it. Things to avoid. 1. Be aware of scammers. ClickBank is the largest online marketplace that is available to everyone and by anyone. As an affiliate, it is your responsibility to do extensive research before you choose to promote a product. Avoid promoting fly-by-night products. If you plan to build a reliable income stream, do not associate your brand with junk. Promote proven products. Use the gravity metric to your advantage to weed out possible scams and focus on products that have been around for a while or offer a direct benefit to your readers. 2. Don't spam. It's tempting, right? You found a product you believe in, and you should be a fanboy or fangirl if you are going to market effectively. But don't bash your audience over the head with it. Sometimes less is more. Focus on driving traffic to your site by helping people, not by selling. Use your resources, but use them wisely. Don't drive readers away because you are overly excited. Space advertisements to your social accounts throughout the day. Make sure your emails are about more than the product you are promoting, even if it's mentioned. Bottom line, don't risk your credibility to sell a product. 3. Link it. Some article sites forbid the use of an affiliate link. Drive traffic to your blog articles and let the new visitors find the product naturally through you, the expert. Conclusion. Overall, ClickBank is straightforward, revenue potential is unlimited, and dedication is a requirement. If you are willing to put in the time and effort needed, ClickBank is an effective tool that will convert your site into a marketing powerhouse and attract other marketers.